So guys, another day. On the way kami sa work, Mrs.
What you keep recording but you don't upload?
I just upload
When?
yesterday. It's yeah. So only 7 a.m. in the morning. We just drop our baby to the babysitter. Now it's time to grind again. What is it?
Something happened, love.
Nothing. Uy, distracting pa. Ayan na guys, pasok na tayo sa trabaho. Aga ng snack mo, boss ah.
Hungry.
So early snack.
Because whole day I don't eat.
Po, dito kami nagtatrabaho. Dito pa rin. Almost 5 years now. Ayan. Ching. Sa golden hours. Oy. Tignan na natin yung oh. Love, can you look here? Oh, so bright. My competitor. Oh. Love, this one is like cinematic, you know? Yeah. I can even see your ano. What's your rating, love? Digestive. ang ganda ng ano niya, guys. Ganito kami picture. That. Alright, the picture. So guys, ito yung ano namin. Dito ako nag-work. Yon. Workplace yarn. Yes.
You don't have your jacket, love.
It's there, no? Look, I'm feeling cold as well. So guys, siya, walk ka na there.
So I will go.
Bye-bye.
So early for me.
Oh, kiss na. Bye. Love, I will magnify you until there on the last. Go, walk. Bye. Bye. Okay guys, let's go. Work tayo. Beep beep. Beep beep. Nga po pala yung workplace natin. Sir. Up. Another day. Ate. Yeah, but
17 Pro Max. Loading.